coaches are dirty.
They're dirty.
It's from the mud.
They could do with a good repaint, couldn't they?
More pink.
Yeah, somebody needs to scrub all that.